How to speed up internet speed on your phone. Hey guys, welcome back. If your phone's internet feels slow on Wi-Fi or mobile data, these simple fixes can noticeably improve your speed without any technical hassle. Let's get started. First thing first, you can swipe down on your notification panel and go to your control menu and toggle your airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode and keep it turned on for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off. This forces your phone to reconnect to your nearest network towers or Wi-Fi access points. Then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If Wi-Fi is slow, you can try to switch over to data, and if your data is slow, try switching over to Wi-Fi. This will ensure that when the network is congested while the other is faster at the moment, it's gonna switch you over to that faster network. Then what you can do is clear app cache, especially for your browsers and social apps. For that, just go to your settings, scroll down and find apps, tap on it. From apps, go ahead and find your browser app or your social app. I'll just scroll down, find Google Chrome for my browser, then go to storage, tap on clear cache down below, go back and do the same thing for social apps like Instagram. So let me just quickly find Instagram here, go to storage, tap on clear cache, and you'll be good to go. You can also disable background data for unused apps. For example, Instagram, if I don't want it to access data in the background, go to mobile data and make sure you turn off this allow background data uses, just like so. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.